How to fix the Modern Warfare 3 shaders preloading stuck at 0%. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're having this issue, here are some solutions that you can try. First of all, you can close the game and exit from Steam, then open Steam and relaunch the game. Next option, enable restart shader optimization in the game mode. For this, go to game settings, then to graphics tab, then display. Then you can find restart shaders preloading option. Third is you can check your PC's system requirement if it matches or not. Fourth option, open the Steam library, right-click on the game and select Properties, go to Install Files and verify integrity of game files. If this does not work, you might have to reinstall the game by first uninstalling, then installing it again. If none of the solution works, you might have to contact the Modern Warfare 3 support team, which will then fix your issue. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.